看着吃的瓜，看多少是多少，一点不浪费。那这个种大了，哎呀，断了呀！哎呀，这么大，这个快夹起来吧，别影响这小点手中。今天挑战的是离手的小菜园，有多少种菜可以熟啊？这里还有个大的呢，哎呀，真好。这个也给它熟了吧？哎呦，哎呦，这是我今年种的卡瓜，小儿子种的吧？就这卡瓜种的，种它一包10多万，干卖10多万。有需要的下方链接拍它种就完了。这还有哪瓜？10多万，干卖10多万。这3阶的小卡瓜，看什么点儿真好。这个叫小火瓜，看这些10多万，干卖10多万。老庄有2个菜园，一个方丁菜园，这是老庄的田园菜园，10多万，干卖10多万。还有向日葵呢，这向日葵不见阳光，长得不太好了呀，收了吧。这里还种了一片秋葵，10多万，干卖10多万，现在就后边，这好。这是立秋以前剪的茄子枝，也开始解开了呀。这儿天叶茄子长得还是不好，过了会就好了。我这里还有葡萄呢，10多万，干卖10多万。小菜园里不缺菜，10多万，干卖10多万。我是方丁菜园大师，关注我，学种菜，种好菜。
Put a whole box of finally figs. Well, it will be the month after the month. Give this sunflower some nutrition. Add some black water. This little black water solves soil compaction. The land has a well-developed root system. Everything is developed. The meat is well done. A lot of fans some time ago. Why didn't my sunflower bloom when I turned it off? This is not open. This is the vegetable garden that Lao Zhuang clipped on the roof. Can you believe that? This little black water. He is a person who promotes root development. Soil awareness. If the root system of all things is developed, I will be fine long ago. All kinds of green plants and flowers have started. All kinds of green plants and flowers can be used. This little black water is easy to use, not less than $10. If we need it, please contact us if you still use it. These small pots of water can also be used. Use the hotspot cheap hot Kong size. After the age of 60, let's have a jar in this pastoral life. I am the master of the real estate vegetable garden. Follow me, learn to grow vegetables and cauliflower.